Ta'alofa lava. Welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today, I am going to explain to you what my tua lima means and what my Samoan Tatau means. So to begin with, I just wanted to say thank you to Tyler Va'eau of the Va'eau Tatau Tattoo Studio in Auckland, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Yes, so Tyler was the one who created this design and who gifted me this tatau. I wanted to share with you the name of the person who did this, Tyler, because she was able to bring insight to me that I didn't even know I needed about tatau and about tattooists in general. And I loved that she was able to give me insight on the culture and the meanings behind each and every one of these designs on my hands. The mamanu has meaning, the designs have meaning. So mamanu means designs, and I'm excited to share what these mamanu represent for me. The first part that I wanted to share with you, so I'm going to bring this. So down here are anufe, and up here are the ngongo. So the anufe and the ngongo are representations of the legends on how the Samoan legend of how the world was created. So let me just bring you back to that. So in one of the creation stories, Tangaloa took worms, which are the anufe, and he used the anufe to create humans. And so these are anufe, and they are represented of the humans that were created during the Tangaloa creation story. And so in the middle here, you'll see diamond shapes. The taimane, or the diamond shapes, representative of strength. And these 4 diamonds are representative of me, my mother, my grandmother, and my great-grandmother. Often used, for women and for strength. It's a representative of strength. What else is here? On my knuckles are alu, the jellyfish, and the alu. Let me just double check that. Don't know why I doubted myself, but yes, alu is a jellyfish, and jellyfish were given to me because jellyfish are often overlooked. They're soft, and so because they're soft, people overlook them and the strength that they actually held and the sting that they can give. So yes, the jellyfish represents me being, or not me, are there to show that even though they look like they're soft and squishy, they can pack a big punch. So that's why we have our jellyfish. We've got more diamond shapes to represent strength. On this side, this diamond is representative of me, and this bird here is representative of my son. And the special bond that we have. So when we first went into to the session, Tyler started to talk to us, and she started to ask us questions about who we are, what we do, our family, where we come from, what we believe in, and what our values are, and those kinds of things. And so from us sharing our stories of ourselves, Tyler was able to then translate that into these designs. And yeah, that is the story of my Tualima design. I love it. I'm going to leave a link up here to our other Tatau video, and hopefully if you're interested in getting a Tatau or giving a Tatau, that you watch this video. Yes, please like this video if you found value in it. Subscribe to our channel. Excuse me. We are a family Ainga-owned family business. We are Samoans, and we believe that all Samoans should have the opportunity to learn about their culture and their language wherever they are from and wherever they are based and whatever level they are at the time. So amplifying Samoan culture to us just means that we are sharing different cultural aspects, different stages of Samoan language and cultural journeys, so that the Samoan diaspora feel comfortable sharing, feel comfortable learning, and have access to Samoan cultural resources. So if you feel like this is something that you could support, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that we do better on our algorithmy things, and so we get seen by more people. Whawhataitele lava, thank you for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. We want to know if you were paying attention. So we have this little design on my knuckles. It is a jellyfish. The mamanu is a representative of jellyfish. What is the Samoan word for jellyfish? Tell us in the comments so we know you're paying attention and that you learned something from this video. Thank you again for joining us and for supporting our Samoan Ainga-owned business. We hope that you've learned something and that we'll see you again. Tō whāsui fua.